doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
Hey everybody, today we're going to do Grandma's chocolate pie, and this is a stovetop recipe for the filling, and then we'll pour it into a graham cracker crust and put it in the fridge. So, first thing you need to do is get your ingredients all ready, and then pour your filling into this pan, into a pan, and mix it all together until it thickens, and then you can pour it into your prepared crust. You can also do a regular crust, but today we're going to do graham crackers. So this is a quarter of a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of cocoa, one and a half cups of sugar, separated here. Okay. 2 cups of milk. And 2. I've already got my burner underneath my pan warming up. All of these ingredients go together. So we need a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. That's all the ingredients. So we need to grab a whisk these together. Until it thickens, and then you pour 2 pie crusts and you put it in your fridge. So it's like an old-fashioned chocolate pie. The recipe says that it should take 10 or 15 minutes for this to thicken. And now that we're starting to get into a time of budget awareness and trying to save money, this would probably be okay, so it's thickened up. It's more like a pudding consistency. It's really hot. And it started to stick to the bottom of my pan. So I think I got it just in time. Alright. Now we stick it in the fridge until it is very cold.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform.